Hi everyone. Our project title is Integration of Solar Energy System for Electrical Vehicle Charging and IoT based Smart Vehicle Parking and Monitoring System using RFID. I am Manisha. I am the team leader of this project. My teammates are J. Manush Kumar Reddy, B. Manasa, P. Manikanta under the guidance of Mr. D. Sai Krishna Kansar, MTech Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The main motto behind this project is due to the increase of population in urban areas, there is much rise in number of vehicles which is leading to traffic problem. Another major problem faced by vehicle owner is the availability of parking space. To avoid all these problems, we are creating this project. Components are used in this project are Wi-Fi module, Arduino, LCD, RFID, servo motor, voltage regulator, IR sensor, solar panel, piezoelectric plate and RFID tag. Let us see the brief discussion of each component. First, the Arduino. Arduino UNO is the microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P. The Arduino board consists of 28 pins, 6 analog input pins, 14 digital pins, 6 digital PWM pins, 8 digital pins, 5 power pins, 1 reset pin, 1 input output voltage reference pin, 1 analog reference pin. Wi-Fi module. This project utilizes a genetic ESP8266 Wi-Fi module for internet connectivity. Wi-Fi module is used to send or receive data and connect it to the Arduino. It is a 16 MB supported memory. Wi-Fi module are used for the communication between the devices. Radio frequency identification. RFID refers to a wireless system comprises of readouts and tags. RFID readouts used to gather the information from an RFID tag, which is used to track an individual object. RFID tag stores all the individual regarding to vehicle number, owner name and his contact details. Voltage regulator. A voltage regulator is a system designed to maintain a constant voltage. It is used for supplying of constant voltage to all the components. Servo motor. A servo motor is a rotatory or linear actuator that allows for the precise control of angular or linear position. Servo motor acts as a gate for entry and exit of the vehicle. It depends on the action of RFID tag. LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display, which is used to show a status of an application. Here we use a 16 into 2 LCD, which means it can display 16 characters per line and 2 such lines. LCD displays the status of the parking slot, whether it is full or empty. The IR sensor or infrared sensor is one kind of electric component used to detect a specific characters in its surroundings. It has an operating voltage of 5 volts and a supply current of 20 mA. Solar panel. Solar panel is also known as photovoltaic panel. Is a assemble of photovoltaic solar cell mounted in a frame. Solar panel captures sunlight as a source of radiant energy, which is converted into electric energy in the form of direct current. Piezoelectric plates. Piezo in the sense pressure. When the vehicle passes through these plates, due to the pressure on it, electricity is produced. Used in these projects are UBI.STEAM and IoT. The brief discussion of IoT is IoT stands for Internet of Things. It refers to the network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings and other items that are embedded with sensor, software and connectivity, allowing them to collect the exchange the data with each other and with other system of the internet. The other software is UBI.STEAM. Dots is an IoT data analytical and visualization platform that allows users to collect and analyze and visualize the sensors and device data from various sources. The platform provides the tools of data storage, analysis and visualization, as well as the ability to set up alert and automatic action based on the data values. Enter near the gate. A RFID tag is provided. All the details such as vehicle number, vehicle name and owner name and their contact number will be stored in the tag. These tag we can place at the RFID board. Then the servo motor act as a gate. In this RFID tag, in this LCD we can see the vehicle number and the slots. If the vehicle is electrical vehicle, it moves to the first floor or else 0th floor. If the vehicle is non-electrical vehicle, we can place this vehicle in the 0th floor. We have a solar panel which produces the electricity, and that electricity is used for the charging of electrical vehicle, and the rest of the electrical energy is stored in this battery. The electricity produced by these piezoelectric plates will be used for the street lighting in night times. If a person wants a particular slot, he can book the slot. When that particular slot is empty, then he can receive a mail or message notification. When the vehicle reaches to the exit, then RFID tag can be placed. It shows the parking time and the amount need to pay. The vehicle reaches the exit, then RFID tag is scanned. Then the gate is open. It shows the amount and the time need to pay. The amount will be debited from the person bank account. After scanning the RFID tag, the servo motors are opened, which is act as a gate. Then the vehicle can check out. Advantages of these project is shorter waiting time at a parking place. It saves a fuel, parking place and searching time, reduce the pollution, reduce the traffic, carbon emission is also reduced, efficiency is high, revenue in terms of street lighting is saved, increasing revenue in terms of power generation through the solar energy system and piezoelectric plates. The applications of this project is shopping malls, restaurants, theaters and public areas. The final conclusion is these projects focus on the implementation of vehicle parking place detection using RFID tag and the IoT. The system benefits of smart parking go well behind avoiding the time wasting. Developing a smart parking solution with a city solves the pollution problem. Integration of solar energy system and piezoelectric power generation of electrical vehicle charging and street lighting enhance the system flexibility.